Hi friends, thanks for being here. Take a look in this clip. 116 minus 116, which equals 0, times 116 minus 116 equals 0. Now we have this problem. 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication. 116 times 116 equals 13,456. So we have 116 minus 13,456 minus 116, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 116 minus 13,456, which equals minus 13,340. So we have minus 13,340 minus 116, which equals minus 13,456. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.